Hey TriMech clients, we're here on the Partner Pavilion floor at SOLIDWORKS World 2018 in Los Angeles, and we're super excited to be talking about a TriMech partner, DriveWorks. So Maria, how are you doing?
Hi, nice to see you again.
Absolutely. So we've partnered with DriveWorks for a long time. We love their technology. I understand you guys have a different focus, something that you've done for a little while in the CPQ space. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yeah, sure. Happy to talk about that. A lot of people in the SOLIDWORKS community have known us for design automation for many, many years, you know, with Express in every single seat of SOLIDWORKS. But our technology is built on rules, as you know, on workflow, and all of that coming together, we wanted to make sure that not only engineers, but sales departments as well would have access to the technology. So we've actually badged that CPQ, Configure Price Quote. And I think this is something that a lot of organizations today are understanding is very important for them. It's not just about designing and manufacturing the products, it's also taking them to market. And a way of doing that is through having a CPQ presence. So our CPQ template, which is shipping with DriveWorks 16, which is coming out next month, is the ideal way for you to communicate that to your customers.
Well, perfect. I know you mentioned DriveWorks Express, and that's a product that our clients have just loved. I understand you guys have an education program focused around DriveWorks Express. Can you tell me about that a little bit?
Yeah, sure. Yes, that's really good timing as well, because we've devised a program for schools, for students, but also for engineers as well who want to get certified. We feel it's really important for people to have the opportunity to test out their skills, learn about design for manufacture, and actually use design automation day to day. So I will give you these copies to take back to the office. So all of the training materials online, people can go register, go through the training, and tell you something really neat that I absolutely love. The marking system, the marking schema, and the delivery of the certificate, it's all automated, of course, what would you expect from us? So DriveWorks emails out the certificate when the students pass.
Excellent.
So, one last thing to add about this, one reason the program is really important is a lot of companies are looking for people who have design automation skills, and so it's a great way to actually add something to a resume and for people to actually get employed in the future working in a DriveWorks design automation CPQ role.
Excellent. So you guys are one of hundreds of really innovative companies here in the Partner Pavilion. Who else are you really excited to see? What other technology are you really excited about in the pavilion?
Well, I'm actually excited also because we're so closely tied with manufacturing. I'm really excited that for this year now SOLIDWORKS users also get SOLIDWORKS CAM, because we're always looking ahead and we're so tied to the SOLIDWORKS ecosystem. We've now released our integration with SOLIDWORKS CAM, so we've updated that. And something else that we've done, because on the Partner Pavilion this year they've got the shop floor, SOLIDWORKS provided us with a model this year. It's a gear shifter. And so we've, of course, as you would expect again, we've actually got it here on our booth so people can come and configure their own shifter. And then, in theory, that could go and be manufactured on the shop floor.
Oh, that's cool.
So that's exciting. And I'm just excited generally about all the talk that we've heard at SOLIDWORKS just in the last 2 days that we've been here about marketplace and people thinking about how they go to market. And again, because that ties in so much with our CPQ solution.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much, Maria. We really appreciate the time, and we look forward to working.